Hey, what's going on, my YouTube family? I'm doing today, with the help of my brother, is that we are, take a shot down there, attempting, oh, and by the way, I am not a trained professional. Well, maybe partially. This is kind of like DIY slash entertainment purposes. So what I'm doing is I bought this stovepipe on Amazon, awesome price. The little gear guide stove, and for the garage. And it's a small garage. As you can see, the lovely tarp covering it. So I cut the plastic back far enough where it shouldn't be an issue. And this roof is going to get fixed, by the way. This is temporary. But so we're going to run the flute pipe up through there. I got this this collar is supposed to be for the 3-inch, which by the way, I'm using 3-inch wood pellet stove pipe, because the black stove pipe that came with this unit is apparently 3.375, so it doesn't really work with 3-inch or 4-inch regular exhaust. You need the 3-inch wood pellet stove pipe. Seems to work the best. It's like a direct fit. It's like a glove. So then you're able to use all the other fittings you need for the 3-inch wood pellet stovepipe, so it just makes it easier. I was able to get all the stuff I needed at a big box store. I don't know if I could say their name, but they're blue and white, not orange and white. Yeah, so I kind of already started to drill the pilot hole and to get a center of where I need to cut out the plastic for now. And then we're going to use the hole saw and probably the Sawzall to do a little adjusting. And I'm going to give an inch clearance around the collar in here on top of the inch that they give you already. Just rather give myself a little bit more. And then I'm eventually, not in this video, in another one, but I'm going to cut out and trim and make like a heat shield basically for both the roof and along the wall, which I'll probably just do some stainless steel or something, aluminum sheeting on some 2x4s or 2x3s. I've seen a lot of people do, or mastic board, whatever, a concrete board for you use for your kitchens and stuff. I've seen guys use that, and that seems to do the trick as well. And of course, we're blessed on this beautiful day. It's nice and sunny and oddly mild for February. Like, I feel like I could take this jacket off. Which I probably will wind up doing. All right, wish me luck. I have this drill that doesn't even have a label anywhere on it. But this thing is like a boss. It just works and works. I actually found it in a storage bin that's been sitting all winter, and it had some oil or lubricant, whatever it was inside, seeping out. Plug it in, still works. Awesome. So what we have here is a collar, okay? And you didn't need to see me cutting a hole. Well, actually my brother cutting a hole. So that's gonna go like that in there. I gave it an extra inch on all sides. And then this is going to get siliconed and drilled in place. All right, guys, so in closing, right, so that's the cap, the sealant. I used some black silicone to go around by where the tarp is, although it should only be temporary. You know, I'd rather just be safe. And I used the high temp sealant, this stuff right here. I don't know if that's coming in good. But yeah, it says it's tested up to 1382 degrees Fahrenheit, 750 degrees Celsius. Yeah, should be good stuff. Should be able to handle the heat. That, like I said, that's double walled, so it shouldn't get that on the outside anyway. And that's tested, I think, to internal is, I think it's 800 degrees Fahrenheit, but could be higher. I think more likely 1,000, but don't quote me. With that, that's the crash course of like I said, not a trained professional, but semi-crash course of that's what I did. And I'll give an update once I put the metal shielding in and everything to you know, give a heat shield along the backside. All right, until then, peace out, YouTube fam.